Hey guys, happy Monday. So I am sitting in my car today, like right now. It is exactly 6:13 exactly at this moment. My morning was good, everything is fine, and actually during lunchtime I did do 4 miles, thank God, because it was raining so bad here. I know it rained this morning. When I woke up this morning at 6:30, it was like pouring down raining, like a straight I don't know, what would you call that? Tsunami or something, but it was really bad. And then when I got ready to take a break, I said, chance it. So I went around one time, I took my raincoat, the same raincoat I had for years, like from Niagara Falls. That thing come in handy. So I took that, but I didn't need it. So I took a chance. My spirit said, you could do it one more time, Sonia, you'll make it. And I did. So I was able to do that. And then back to work. After that, I did stop and got my, y'all, I stopped at Home Depot. I told y'all, no more procrastination, okay? So, I know I showed you guys where I put the canvas. I got some Ultra Cover. This is Rust-Oleum Painter's Choice. I got the gloss white. It ain't the bright white, but it's the gloss white. So this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to sand down that area what is it? Sand down the areas where, let me talk a little slower. I'm going to sand down the areas where I had the shelves. Okay, I get so excited. I'm going to sand them down and I'm going to paint it. I'll bring you guys along for that. And I also picked up the Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch 2X Ultra Cover Paint and Primer. The paint and primer is good choice for when you want to do projects, changing the colors. And this is black flat. So this is the color. See that? I am going to be spraying. I'm going to tell y'all, share something with y'all. I was going to buy the toilet, you know where you put your toilet paper, even though I have that black toilet paper thing that I got from the bins. I like that, but it slants because it's missing a screw or something. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep that. But the holder that was inside the wall, I'm going to unscrew it, get it down, and I'm going to spray paint that black because I was going to buy a whole new cover. And then I said, wait a minute. Spray paint is your best friend. You can change it. So that's what I'm going to do with the paint. And I'm also going to spray paint that wood piece, the whole thing black. It's going to have the engraving from that bottom piece of wood that's holding the actual bowl that I had placed on top of it. It's going to still have the engravement print in that. So that's going to turn out good. I'm going to keep that on the shelf. Let's see, the toilet thing, keep that on the shelf. I'm trying to think whatever else. Oh, sand that little area for the paint. And, oh, I can show you guys. I hope I don't forget once I get home. I'm going to show you guys where I put the cabinet. Great choice. So happy. It was the right thing to do. So, guys, I just was filling you in, keeping you guys posted as to what's going on. Outfit of the day. I wore my, but I got on my black sweatpants with the wait a minute, y'all know what I'm talking about, these right here with the tightness right here, and my shirt to go to it that I hauled from the bins. So yeah, today is a whole bins outfit, okay? But yeah, guys, that's what I'm doing so far. So I will catch you guys on the other side once I get home from 7 o'clock this morning. All right, guys. I finally get home and get situated, and guess what I come home to? It was like a tsunami then hit the place. Look at this. I got stuff blue everywhere. It is really windy, y'all. I told y'all it was really, this morning it was something, but everything is everywhere. So let's put this stuff up. Roll you back here. Y'all, my tomato plants is coming up. Y'all see that? Tomato plants. These are still struggling. The cucumbers and what is this? Beans. Yeah, these are beans and these are cucumbers. They're coming up, y'all. Look at my cilantro. Look at that. And my thyme. So let's flip you back over. Let me put you on this side because that side looks a little worn. And let's put these back. Y'all, what kind of weather is this? let's be grateful though. We ain't gonna complain. We're gonna still be grateful for whatever we get, as long as we are here to see it, right? So yeah. All right then. I don't know if y'all can see right here. Let me show y'all the ferns. Y'all see the ferns right here? They finally came up. They finally came up. So enough said. We're gonna go inside. I just had to clean up my mess. Come home to a tsunami. Y'all, I'm so freaking, now look, them deer, I'm about to be pissed off. Like, look at this. Y'all, they ate the top of my hostas. Like, look here. So I put some cinnamon sticks down here, so hopefully that'll keep them away from here. Like, I know they gotta eat, y'all. And now these are about to bloom. My sunflower's about to bloom, but they done ripped and ate all my stuff. And then I put a cinnamon stick here as well. But in the meantime, these are gonna stay right here. Look, y'all, my marigold, it came up, but they're gonna stay here until we figure something out, because you can't be eating my flowers now. So guys, I'm gonna go inside and show you guys a few things, and then we get started. Okay? Look, y'all, look at that, look at that, look at that. Y'all can't tell me, hey, y'all can't tell me that your sister friend, your inspired designer is not on point. Guys, look at this. Now, I did have that flower here. I mean, my plant here, but honey, this takes the cake. Look at that, y'all. Let me click my heels. Let me click my heels. Guys, that looks so great. Look at that. Mid-century modern, along with the mid-century modern. Y'all get it? Y'all get it? Y'all get it? All right, but guess what? We got to take the speakers out, and then I can put clothes. Look at that, y'all. Got a whole shelf. Got to move those somewhere, but got 2 shelves to put stuff. So that worked out great, and I was able to house my pothos, the colognes, and I put a plant there. Here's our candle we made yesterday. And yeah, guys, that is beautiful. What y'all thinking? She did it? Let me know in the comments. Did I make a right decision? Y'all, it's a place for everything. You don't have to go out and buy nothing. You already have it already at home. So I'm going to go ahead and disconnect. Well, let me show y'all really quick. Hold on 1 second. Get another look at that. Look at that until I show you guys. Now, this is what I am going to be taking it loose. Just got to unscrew it. I'm going to spray paint that black. And also, we're going to be spray painting this black, y'all, today. So y'all already know all this, the engraving. See the engraving here? You're still going to be able to focus, camera. Focus so they can see. Come on. You're always doing that. But anyway, besides that, you'll be able to see, like, see how it's engraved, this right here? It won't be white, but it'll be black. But you'll be able to see the imprint of that. So if you guys are interested, then keep watching while we get this done. And then I'm going to be fixing something to eat, okay? Alright guys, so it has been removed. So all you see, there's nothing back there but board, your 2x4. So it is removed, and I'm taking the screws to spray them too because they are rusty. So I am going to go around here, you know, and clean that the little rim just from hands dirt. I'm going to clean that really, really good. But guys, this is going to get a facelift, a facelift. So let's get ready to do that. Y'all, this wood piece is so pretty. It's like I don't really want to spray her because she's so pretty. Oh gosh, the things we do. But guys, I'm saving so much money on this because I don't have to go and buy one. So what I'm gonna do is come on back in here because we're gonna get ready to spray in a minute. Come back in here, show you guys something really, really quick, and then I'm gonna spray this, and then I'm gonna fix me a salad and I'm gonna chill. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. But I just wanted to show y'all. So she's all prepped and ready for tomorrow, so she could do her thing. So I got my paint here, I got my sandpaper here. That's going to be tomorrow's project. But I wanted to show you guys. Look, y'all. I end up putting this. Let me turn the light on. I end up putting this in here. I think it looks really, really good. Y'all will let me know. I know. But look at it. It's just one big focal point. And that's it. It's so pretty. So eventually, guys, this chair is, I'm going to probably give this chair to somebody in my family. I'm going to look for one of these that's dark and gray like that. So I have two matching chairs because this is beige and these two are the lighter gray. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the this right here. I love that. And I did take out one of my things here. I'll show you in the bathroom where I put it. So I end up putting it here. So I'm going to put tissues in there. Instead of having that space where I had that gold piece, I wanted this here because it's open, and then I can write on this gold thing. I can write tissue on here for now, but that's how I like it. So everything is going to go the black with the black here, and then my gold garbage can, you know, with the black, and then this is going to get done, and then we got the black up here, and then eventually, guys, we're going to get a new light. So yeah, so guys, hold the line, please, and we're going to go spray some stuff, and then I will probably see you guys tomorrow after I get done spraying. So I will see you guys after I finish spraying.